The question says the conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24 meter. So the height of the cone is given which is 10 meter high and the radius is given as 24 meter. They are asking us to find the slant height of the tent, also the cost of the canvas required to make the tent, and they have also given 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. Very simple question, students. Let us understand. As you know, the basic figure from where the cone was originated was from a right triangle. Here in this question, they have given the radius. So the radius is 24 meter. The slant height is given as 10 meter. No, the height, the perpendicular height is given as 10 meter. Here, for finding the slant height of the tent, which is L over here, you see clearly we can use the Pythagoras theorem for solving it out. Since it is a right angle triangle, we can use this formula. L square is equal to, L is nothing but hypotenuse, this is nothing but your base, and this is your perpendicular. So by Pythagoras theorem, let me show you this in detail. By Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse is nothing but L. So base is your 24 square and perpendicular is your 10 square. So solving this out, it will be L equal to square root of 24 square plus 10 square. If I show you this calculation over here, you can see L is equal to 100 plus 576 and the final calculation for this is 26. The value of L, that is the slant height, is 26 meter. Going forward, 26 meter, this is our first part. Second part of the question, they said the cost of the canvas required to make the tent. So if 1 meter square costs rupees 70, so to find the total cost of the canvas required, total cost of canvas is equal to total area into cost per meter square. So let us go ahead. As you see, the total area is again nothing but your pi RL, because they talk about a canvas. Let me discuss with you. This is a conical tent. Now why we did not take the total surface area? When I say total area, do not confuse yourself with total surface area, because when you make a tent, let me show you this. When you make a tent, you tend to do that over a ground. So obviously you have nothing to do with the surface area over here. This is an empty space which should be left. You require only materials for making these portions, but the base is left empty. For that reason, we need not calculate the base area, which is a circle again. So as I said, total cost of the canvas is equal to total area into cost per meter square. Check this calculation out. The cost is equal to here pi RL, that was the total area. So total area is 1961.14 into cost per meter square was how much? 70. So by applying the curved surface area formula, which is pi RL, and by multiplying that with cost per meter square, which is 70, the final answer stands out to be 1,37,279 rupees is the total cost of the canvas.